Hello students, welcome to CAD lab. This is the home page if you are opening AutoCAD software. What is AutoCAD? AutoCAD means, what is CAD full form? Computer aided design and drafting. Auto means what? Auto means automatic. Here in this software, some calculation, and if you are giving any command, the software will going to analyze the command and giving the output according to the input. So that's why we call automatic, computer aided design or drafting, design and drafting. Okay, here you can observe the drawing toolbars are given here. These are the drawing tools we are going to use draw any diagram. These are drawing tools, these are modifying tools, and these are annotation tools, and these are layers, these are blocks, and these are properties, so and so. Okay, but and this is the space for drawing. Okay, and this moment takes place. No, this is we call cursor. Okay, this plus type movement takes place. No, this we call cursor. Okay, and here in your syllabus, two-dimensional drawing is there. That means you are taking X and Y coordinate system. According to your syllabus, only two-dimensional drawings you are going to practice in this lab. So the coordinate system is X and Y. Here in this corner you can observe the coordinate X and Y. Next, here the where you are going to give input, here type a command is given. No, here you are going to give the input. Okay, and very first step in the AutoCAD, after opening the CAD software, you can very first set the unit, at which unit you are going to draw the drawing, whether meter, feet, or centimeter or millimeter, whatever. Okay, you can very first step is you can set the unit. So here you can directly type units. Here one pop-up window will open like this. Okay, you can observe drawing units. Here decimal and decimal degrees and precision. If you want to change, you can change. And here see, units to scale inserted content, inches is there. By default it is inches is there. Yeah, but I want millimeter. Or your convenient. If you want meter, you can set meter also. Millimeter also is there. Centimeter is there. Okay, that is your convenient. Now here I will set meter in meters, and this is international. Okay, set OK. Next, again click on command. Give the command zoom, Z, zoom, enter. Okay, press enter, and here press A, enter. Okay, that means whatever page setted, no, that page here setted, that drawing area is set, zoomed, full zoomed, whatever area is there I given. Next step is you can give the limits, enter. what is the necessity of limits? Here we are going to draw x and y direction by using x and y direction coordinate system. So the starting point is 0, 0, 0. That means x is 0 and y is 0. The starting is, by default it is 0, 0 is there. So directly you can enter. And next, the drawing space, the drawing page, what dimension you need. According to that you can give the drawing sheet size or the drawing space size. Within that space only you are going to draw. Here I will give, actually I set a unit in meter, so here whatever command you are giving the limits, it will take it, the software will take that considering by meter. Okay, now I will give around yes, rectangular shape size paper. Approximately I will give 40, 40 is the x distance, okay, and 30, okay, enter. And z, again you can zoom, enter, a, enter. Now my page is set it. Okay, this is the my page. And after setting pages by giving limits and setting your drawing page, now I will introduce one by one drawing tools. Let us take line. If I want to draw a line, how you are going to draw? By using tools, by go to drawing tools and select the line command and select wherever you want to start from starting point. I want to start here. Okay, here the line movement is very flexible. The line movement is very flexible, but I want to stiff this movement. Then you can click on this ortho mode. Okay, switch on this ortho mode, then the line is very stiff. Here I want to draw 4 meter line, so directly you can give 4, enter. Now the line drawn 4 meter line. If you want to check this is correct or not, you can go to dimension and check the, yes, see, this is the 4 meter line. Okay, like this you can draw the line. Okay, next, polyline. Polyline, what is the property of polyline? What is the usage of what is the difference between line and polyline? Yes, you have this doubt now. It's very simple. Here, difference between line and polyline you can observe here. I will draw simply drawing some blocks. Okay, here, if this drawing I did by using polyline and this drawing I did by line, but you can observe the difference when I'm going to select, or when I'm going to select this polyline diagram, it will select entire drawing. That means the polyline is the continuous line. The polyline is the continuous line, and the line diagram is, it is not continuous. See, it is not continuous. So that is the difference between polyline and line. Okay, if I am going to use polyline, the entire drawing is going to draw by single line, that means continuous line. But here by using just line, it is not happen. Okay, yes, if you want to delete, you can select the erase command here. Erase is there, and select the drawing and delete, erase, left click, sorry, right click. Okay, by using mouse. Next is circle. For drawing circle, you can see select any one point, any center point, and but here I want to give particular radius I want to 2 meter, so this is the 2 meter radius circle. For drawing this circle, so many options are there. You can see center radius, center diameter, and 2 point, 3 point, and tan radius, and tan. Center radius means you can click the center or select the center and give the radius. Already I showed that. Next option is center diameter. That means select the center and give the diameter. Here I will give the diameter 4 meter. Okay. And next, similarly, 2 points option is there. 2 point means how it happen. 2 points. If 2 lines are there, you can just imagine if 2 lines are there. I want to draw the circle within this line, so that at that time you can going to select this option 2 point, and my point is this one and this one. Okay, within the line the circle will come. Okay. And similarly for 3 point, if 3 lines are there, you can select the 3 points and the circle will come automatically. And similarly tan radius and tan. Okay, next option is arc. For drawing arc, 3 points required. Okay, like this, 3 points. Here also so many options are there according to your drawing condition. Okay, can you try that? And next is rectangle shape. How we are going to draw the rectangle? Here, by giving proper dimension also possible. You can see if I want to draw 2 by 2, here I will give the dimension in the place of command dimension. You can press the D, enter, and give the length of specify length for rectangles. I will give 5, enter, and width is 5, enter. See, my rectangle is accurate square. I give the dimension like that. Okay, 5 by 5, whatever. Just by practice purpose I draw this. Okay, these are the remaining. So many options, so many tools are there. I will explain next class one by one. This is just introduction class. If you have laptop, dear students, if you have laptop, please install this software, AutoCAD software. It will available free of cost by Autodesk company. Last class I explained how to install this software and all by using Autodesk company software. You can use that. You can watch once again that video and try to install the software. It is easily installing by it is actually free for student. If you are going to register in the online in the website, it will directly installing into your laptop, and it is fully free of cost, so it is very useful. And after installing, you can practice in your laptop. And next class I will explain some other drawing tools. Okay, if you have any doubt, please ask me, or regarding software installing process. If you are not able to install better, you can go to service center. There also the crack version is available in the service center, in the authorized service center. They are directly free of cost. They're also available free of cost, or sometimes charging very less, 200 or 300 rupees for cracked software, for installing cracked software. However, that is your convenient, which is convenient to you, you can do that. But practice is very much in this CAD software. The theory concept are not working. That means if you are not understanding all the tools and the properties of all the tools, it is not used. Then which situation, which command you are going to use, that is very important. That will come by practice only. You should remember that will come by practice only. How much you are going to practice, that much you are perfect in the CAD software or in the AutoCAD drawing. Okay, this is very important subject, and in the civil engineering profession, in your entire life, it is required, because it is very basic. Whichever field you are go, but your first step is the drawing. The first step is drawing. Whichever project you are going to take, and whichever experiment, whatever, the first step is drawing. So nowadays the manual drawing is completely removed in your syllabus, from your syllabus. So the CAD drawing is must and should. So you should practice well. It is very important. All the best. Thank you. Happy learning.